Morning, I'm Mr. Yo. Welcome to my comfortable and lovely home. My theme at home is modern design and with the cafe theme, art in the kitchen. I get my inspiration is online, but most of the inspiration is from KensoArt interior. My unique feature of my home is the kitchen. KensoArt did a very good job in designing the backsplash for the kitchen. This art kitchen design I cannot find anywhere in Singapore. Our person is very helpful, patient, and when we need help, he is always ready. Overall, I am very satisfied with the renovation. I will surely recommend KensoArt Interior to my family, friends for the good work done. Thank you KensoArt Interior Designer for designing my dream home. For more information, please visit Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.